So hello and welcome guys. Our today's topic is inheritance. In C++, the inheritance is a process in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of its parent class to the object automatically. In such a way, you can reuse, extend, or modify the attributes and behaviors which are defined in another classes. In C++, the class which inherits the members of another class is called derived class, and the class whose members are inherited is called as base class. The derived class is the specialized class for the base class. Now there are some advantages of the inheritance, which is known as the code reusability. Now you can reuse the members of your parent class, so there is no need to define the member again. So less code is required in the class. There are multiple types of inheritance available as single inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance. We will see each one by one. Now what is single inheritance? So single inheritance is defined as the inheritance in which a derived class is inherited from the only one base class. So here A is a base class and B is a derived class, which is known as also child class. Now single level inheritance example, real time example having class account. Class account is having public property as salary. Salary is equal to 60,000. So class programmer having the public public account, sorry, A must be capital. Then inside that public data as float bonus is equal to 5,000 or the fifth, no, only 5,000 we can take over here. After that, we will declare the main function. Inside the main function, we will declare the programmer P, and having cout statement. It will be having the salary. It will print the salary P dot salary, and then we will copy the line for the bonus also. Bonus. So what's going on here? This is a parent class or the base class. Derived class. Sorry, programmer is a derived class. Now base class is having salary of 60,000 and derived class is having the bonus which is having the 5,000, and both are displayed using P dot salary and P dot bonus. So as we run the program, we will get both the output. Salary as 60,000 and bonus as 5,000. Now we will see the multi-level inheritance. What is multi-level inheritance? The multi-level inheritance is a process of deriving a class from another derived class. So this is the base class. This is one derived class which is having the properties of the base class, and these properties also can be shared with the another derived class which is derived from the B class. For this, when one class inherits another class which is further inherited by another class is known as multi-level inheritance. Inheritance is a transitive, So the last derived class acquires all the members of its base classes. For this, we will see one example. So class animal having public properties as void eat. Inside that, we will put one statement as eating. Then we will create another class, that is derived class, as class dog public animal. Now this class is also having some public properties, having void bark, and inside that we will put one statement as barking. Now we will create another class having the name as baby dog, which will derive from dog. So public dog. Inside that public void weep, weep w. See out weeping. Now we will create the main function int main. We will call the baby dog as d1 and d1 dot eat. Here we will call the eat function from parent base class. Then d1 dot bark, which is from the first derived class. Then d1 dot weep from the last derived class. Return 0. Here we will get the output as eating, barking, and weeping in the sequence. So when we run the program, as expected, the output will be eating, barking, and weeping. Got it? Now we will see what is multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance is a process of deriving a new class that inherits the attributes from two or more classes. The example for the multiple inheritance is, mm, let's say, class A. Inside that we will use protected member, that is int A, and public void get A, or you can say the get data int N. Inside that we will assign the value of n to the A. Then we will define another class B having protected int B, and public void get B. Int N as we used earlier, then B is equal to N. Now class C and public A comma public B. In this way, we can call the properties of class A and class B to the C class. So inside that, we will declare the public as void display. Void display function will having the cout statement. The value of A is A. We'll copy this statement two more times. Here value of B is B. Also, we will display some arithmetic operation as A plus B. The value of A plus B is so and so. Now we will declare the main function, that is int main. Inside that C dot get A will pass the value 28. C dot get B, here we can pass any random value 91, and C dot display also return 0. When we run the program, we will get the output as the value of A is whatever we have passed over here, that is 28, value of B is 91, and the value of A plus B is the addition of 28 and 91. C, the value of A plus B is 119. So this was the example of multiple inheritance. In the next video, we will learn the rest part of the inheritance. That's it for today, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.